What is discount window lending and how does it work? Imagine a bank running low on cash just when it needs to meet customer withdrawals or fund loans. What options does it have? One key tool is the discount window lending facility provided by the Federal Reserve. This system allows banks to borrow short-term funds directly from their regional Federal Reserve Bank. The process is simple. Banks pledge assets like government securities as collateral, and in return, they receive the needed cash. This helps banks keep their reserves balanced and continue lending to people and businesses. There are three main types of discount window credit. The first is primary credit, which is available to banks in good financial shape. These banks can borrow overnight or for a few days at a rate just above the federal funds rate, which is the interest rate banks charge each other. Primary credit is easy to access and helps banks handle unexpected short-term cash needs. The second is secondary credit, which is for banks that don't qualify for primary credit. It comes with a higher interest rate and stricter rules on how the funds can be used. The third type is seasonal credit, designed for smaller banks that see predictable changes in their funding needs during certain times of the year, like holiday seasons or harvest periods. The discount window plays a big role in supporting the overall economy. It helps keep the banking system stable by preventing sudden drops in bank reserves. When banks have enough reserves, they can continue lending to households and businesses, which keeps the economy moving smoothly. It also supports the Federal Reserve's goal of controlling inflation. By making sure banks have access to funds during times of stress, it reduces the chance of credit crunches that could slow economic growth. While the Federal Reserve now relies more on open market operations to influence the economy, the discount window remains an important safety net. During times of financial stress or unexpected disruptions, banks can quickly borrow overnight or for a short period. This boosts their reserves, allowing them to meet regulatory requirements and keep lending. When a bank borrows from the discount window, it increases its reserve account, which helps stabilize the banking system. This process ultimately helps control inflation by ensuring that credit remains available and that the economy doesn't experience sudden contractions. In short, discount window lending is a vital tool that helps banks manage their liquidity needs, supports economic stability, and plays a part in the Federal Reserve's efforts to keep inflation in check.